In the shadowy days of the late 19th century, two brilliant minds were destined to clash. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the direct current, DC system, and Nikola Tesla, the visionary who believed in the future of alternating current, AC. Their bitter rivalry, known as the War of Currents, would not only shape the future of electricity, but also unravel a series of dark and mysterious events involving cruelty, betrayal, and scientific battles.
This Tesla, he's a thorn in my side. His so-called alternating current is nothing but a danger to society.
Sir, I've heard whispers that Tesla's gathered quite the following.
Nonsense. His methods are reckless. We'll prove it once and for all.
How, sir?
We'll show them the truth. Arrange a demonstration. Something shocking.
Tesla, the visionary, was determined to prove that AC was not only safe, but far more efficient than DC.
Nikola, the world is beginning to take notice. Your AC system, it's groundbreaking.
Thank you, George. But Edison won't make this easy.
Let him try. We've got something he doesn't: innovation.
And the truth.
The rivalry escalated as Edison prepared a spectacle to demonstrate the supposed dangers of AC.
Ladies and gentlemen, behold the dangers of the so-called alternating current.
Meanwhile, Tesla remained focused on perfecting his inventions, unaware of Edison's spectacle.
Nikola, you need to see this. Edison's gone too far.
This is madness.
We must act. We can't let him tarnish the truth.
The rivalry intensifies as the city struggles to choose between two visions of the future. The air crackles with tension, the stakes higher than ever before.
Nikola, you've outdone yourself. I must admit, I didn't think you could solve it so quickly.
Thank you, Mr. Edison. It was a challenging problem, but I believe the solution will greatly improve the efficiency of your DC machines.
Yes. It's impressive, certainly. But, you know, that $50,000 reward was just a jest. A little incentive to spark your genius.
A jest? But you promised.
Come now, Nikola. Surely you didn't take it seriously. We're all working towards the same goal here, aren't we?
I see. Well, Mr. Edison, I suppose I misunderstood the nature of your promise.
No hard feelings, I hope. There's plenty more work to be done.
Of course. Thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Edison.
Ah, these young dreamers.
Alternating current, the future, the key to everything.
Extra! Extra! Edison claims AC is dangerous. Read all about it.
Alternating current is reckless. It's a danger to every household, and I intend to prove it.
Let them say what they will. The truth will illuminate the path.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you are about to witness is the undeniable danger of alternating current. A threat to our homes, our families. Observe the fatal consequences of this reckless technology.
This is monstrous.
How can this be allowed?
The power of AC, unchecked, holds the potential for devastation. Behold, the ultimate testament to the dangers of alternating current.
I can't watch. This is wrong.
This is not progress. This is madness.
I must prove it. AC is the future.
Nikola, how goes the battle?
George, it's going well. AC is not only more efficient, but it can reach distances DC never could.
I believe in your vision, Nikola, and I know others will too. What you've done here, it's revolutionary.
Thank you, George. With your support, we can illuminate the world.
Together, we'll show them that progress cannot be stopped by fear or ignorance.
The future is bright, my friend. Brighter than they can imagine.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we witness the dawn of a new era. With the flip of this switch, we bring safe, reliable power to thousands of homes.
And the power grid comes alive. Westinghouse's AC system
We've
has
done it.
successfully
The
illuminated
future
the
is
first
ours to
major
shape.
electric grid at Niagara Falls. It seems the tide has turned.
To progress, and to the dreamers who dared to see beyond the darkness.
For the dreamers,